Something is definitely wrong. This is the other that you're seeing there, not Mr. Cock. He's going home and little chick is right behind him. There she is. So I am not sure what happened. I wasn't around just for a day. And you can tell, when these people in the community, when they hold them and you see they happen to escape, you see they have a rope or something or string on their feet. And that's why I could tell you the cock that I refer to as returning cock, he is very timid. And I know he was one of them that was stolen very young and kept. So he's very shy. Although he comes back to the yard, he is very selective. So this is how I'm reporting. This afternoon, the other cock and